tanks moving into the village.
Steady, lads. We're well behind Jerry's lines now. No way of knowing what we're up against.
That's a cheerful thought. Come on, lads. We've held together this long. Let's not fall apart now.
Old Bess has got us this far. And she'll get us all the way if we do our bit.
Keep shooting!
They're fixing to retake Cambrai.
Going right straight through.
Let them surprise everyone at the rendezvous.
So what's the plan?
Take the initiative. If we hit them hard and fast here, we can make a difference.
Let's bloody do it!
Right, keep moving. Keep them confused and off balance, and let's hope they don't realise we're on our own. behind them! The armor is weaker there! Cut them down! Pump up that infantry! That's it! Smash the tiny bag! That's it! Keep at it! Getting to the damage will be faster from the outside. German infantry! Clear of that! Sweet biscuit, Jerry's, and despair! How do you like that, Fritz? Come on, Fritz. Don't give up on us now. Best wants to fight. Who's gonna stop her? That's exactly where they'll be coming from. Edwards, find us a position so we can hit them when they arrive. Keep on that little one! Let's do this! FT's still mobile! Yeah! All right, keep your hats on. That's it, McManus, you got it! Yes! That's it! Good one, but let's not get cocky! We need to hold and defend this rail yard, lads, no matter what comes.
Good shooting, McManus.
On target! What's your sight? Cover!
Nice shooting, McManus!
Get ready to pull back if we're good! Get in here! Engage that gun!
Trying to get behind them! The armor is weaker there! Good shot! She's ready to roll!
Whoa! Keep us moving. Use cover where you can. Light tank, you see it?
Just in front!
Edwards, keep us moving. The man is wait for a clear shot. Everyone has to count.
Try to keep your feet up! Get up, Townsend! There's a fire over here! That's for Pritchard!
Good job. Let's go.
We're fine! Keep moving!
We got the little bastard. And smash the tiny bastard.
We might just pull this up!
We only bloody did it, boys.
You did it, girl!
Next stop, counter.
Sir,
Edwards, get moving. Oh no. Don't you go thinking you can drop dead on us now. I'm fine, boys. Just tired from all the fun. Come on now. Artillery! Drive, drive! Get picked up back over here. I'll take care of it. So, what do we do now, driver?
We walk.
My granddad fought in the Civil War. Before I left, he told me what it takes to stay alive, but before I got to Europe, I had never seen an aeroplane in real life. High above, they twisted and turned like flocks of birds dancing. There was a romance surrounding pilots, these new swashbucklers of the skies. But the reality was, most of these brave young men would eventually end up back on the ground in twisted smoking wrecks.
I have nothing left to bet, you idiot.
The plane.
That's rich. Oh, why the hell not? I got you beaten anyway.
Yeah.
What have you got? Wipe your mouth, Blackburn.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
But you know, I'll be taking that plane anyway.
What the bloody hell? You lost! I beat you!
The thing is, Rackham, it's a very beautiful aeroplane and you're kind of a jackass.
I beat you fair and square, goddammit! Stay the hell away from my kite! Oh, you bastard! You can't do this to me! I beat you! I beat you!
My name's Clyde Blackburn. I'm a pilot and a gambler.
I'm George Rackham! I'm George bloody Rackham! Listen to me! You bastard! Keep off my aeroplane!
If you asked me to name my biggest fault, I'd have to tell you, I'm just not a very honest person.
Welcome aboard! I'm Wilson, by the way. You must be George Rackham.
Sure, I'm Rackham. I'm your guy. Let's get this kite up in the air.
You're George Rackham, son of the 4th Earl of Windsor.
That's right. Hip hip go,
The Bristol was everything it was advertised to be. A pure joy to fly. It was a crisp, sunny day, and everything would have been perfect had I only been alone.
picnic, don't you think?
Right, you see that plane up ahead? You need to catch up with it!
Yeah. So listen, I know this little French place, maybe pick up a couple of girls.
What are you talking about? Girls! This is a test flight! You need to follow the route that plane is setting for you!
Okay, you're the boss, apparently.
Now let's get a feel for the yoke. Stay close, on his tail! This isn't too much plane for you, is it? Get closer! All right, keep this distance!
Hang on, Wingnut. Piece of cake.
Let's see how she handles in a gunfight. Guns are unsafe, just in case you get some fancy ideas.
You're starting to get me. How sweet.
Don't let him get away!
Let's see what else.
The Bristol will handle like the other planes. Less throttle means you can make tighter turns. Open the throttle and stay on him!
I'm having fun. You having fun yet, Wingnut?
It's Wilson, and pay attention! Eyes forward! Good flying, though some of it wasn't exactly by the book.
So toss the damn book and live a little. Where's he going now?
Leave him! See those target balloons? Weapons check, fire at will!
I can do that. Yeah, this is one heck of a kite.
There are still more balloons! Move in and fire!
Roger that. I pick up accents easily. Probably be speaking French by the time we got to Jerry's feet.
I see.
You're a very suspicious man, Wilson. Has anyone ever told you that?
Jesus Christ! Germans! What do we do?
What do you think? We shoot them down.
Watch for the debris! Creatures on our tail! Move! Move! Bloody hell! It's really bloody dangerous! Bloody hell!
Another one. Keep it count, Wilson.
Whatever gets us back on the ground quickest! Looks like there's only one left! That was too close for comfort!
You can say that again.
Grab the engine! Giving her the gun might have thrown something off! Repair what you can from up front! More Jerry's!
I see him. Hang on to your knickers.
They're shooting friendly hit! He's going down! Good shot! He's going down! Stop flying in a straight line! They're trying to get behind us! Another one down! Where do you think he's going?
That way. And we're going after him.
What are you doing? We should turn back!
Ah, to hell with base.
Pull up! Pull up!
Take cover! Whoa, look at that! You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Let's get these pictures back to base immediately!
All right.
That's how we accidentally discovered where Germans were keeping their munitions for half the Western Front. And Wilson's pictures would help HQ launch a major assault. There was just one problem.
I'm not sure about this.
Oh, come on. We did a great thing. We'll get medals for this.
We weren't even supposed to be there.
When the commander sees these pictures, he won't care. We did a great thing. We can do it again.
I'll make you a deal. If we pad up on this, then you need to promise me that you'll get me back in one piece.
Sure thing.
Promise. I need your word.
Okay, I promise.
Stay here. And don't cause any trouble.
You know, I did like the guy. But he was kind of naive.
Sir, you might want to take a look at these. Saints alive, your man must be
One hell of a pilot. Before we knew it, we were back in the air. Our mission? To clear the way for the bombers so they could blow that fortress all to hell. First, we'd have to down the barrage blimps. Jesus, imagine being a lookout on a blimp. Bad luck, Fritz. Next, we'd have to deal with their anti-aircraft trucks. The assault was already in full swing when we got there. We'd have to deal with all those defenses, then escort our bombers to their target when they arrived. Tall order. But victory here could change the course of the whole damn war, they said. Safe to say, Wilson was less than thrilled.
Now we're actually doing this, it feels really dangerous!
Trust me! And buckle yourself in, maybe.